Okay, so I feel like Spirit is saying with everything that you guys have been through in the past, with love yourself first, it means that I need you guys to keep your head up. You know what I'm saying? Like, keep your head up. Everything that you've been through, it had to take place for a reason. I feel like whatever you guys have been through, whether it's like with friendships, relationships, your career, just everything that you've been through, I feel like it took some type of like toll or like some type of turn, and you're like, why is it that everything keeps happening to me, or I don't have this? There's something that you were supposed to learn out of it, and I feel like you guys got it. You know what I'm saying? So just keep moving forward, because something is coming up. Something's coming in for you guys. You know, and when it pertains to love, I feel like some of you guys, that just took a plot twist. Okay, so what I was just getting ready to say, but then I just heard something else too. Some of you guys, you know, let your friends help you. Like, if you're wanting love in your life, maybe there's somebody that's coming in that you can meet, you know, while you're with a friend, or you can meet by way of a friend. But I'm going to be honest with you, what I just heard, that's why I said plot twist. Some of you guys could be, you know, going to like a close friend, family member, you know, to, you know, vent, to talk to about stuff, you know, to help you with love. And some of y'all need to stop, okay? Because I feel like somebody that is around you, whether it's friends, family, you need to be very mindful of this person, because I feel like there's a little bit of jealousy here, you know, and I just heard me first, you know, so somebody doesn't want you to have certain things before them, you know, and they could be trying to purposely give you bad advice or bad information to steer you in the wrong direction. So some of y'all need to watch your friends. And you know what? And I remember putting something out about that, about this dream that I had with like a snake, because I even saw it with even one of my dreams, but I kept having the same dream, but I kept seeing different faces. So it was a lot of people that I've never even met. Some of y'all do need to watch your circle of friends, so be mindful. But anyway, if there is somebody new coming in, if you haven't met this person, I feel like this could be the one for you. So listen to your own intuition. Like, okay, you want to vent to people, you want to talk. All right, you know, some of y'all, I feel like you're okay, but for others of you, you need to be very mindful of who you share your information with. Because I feel like this could be a really good person for you. So listen to your own intuition, basically. Now, for others of you, I feel like this is definitely somebody from the past that has been, you know, allowing friends, family, other people to be in their ear when it comes to what they should do in their own life, and they still need to stand up for themselves to get themselves out of it, and that's why they are asking their friends for help. So in this situation with like a past person, I feel like they are getting good advice from friends, you know, on how to remove themselves from a situation to move towards you, because they know that you're the one for them. Alright, that's why I feel like I kept saying, y'all picking up past, because even with the song SWV Weak, for me, that kind of goes more towards the past person, but I was being pushed to tell you guys about friendships and, you know, new love coming in. So, you know, everybody, doesn't matter who it's for, keep your eyes open, okay? Guys, bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Five of Swords reverse. This is letting me know that somebody's coming out of being frustrated about something. So let's see. Could be a family situation here, or something that took place in the past. Tell me more. Sagittarius, this could be you know, coming out of being frustrated by either like a family situation or something that took place in the past, because I feel like you want to move forward, but this could also be telling me that somebody's coming out of being frustrated about something that they did to you in the past, and this is them wanting to come and speak their truth to you. You could be dealing with another Sagittarius. Now, let's see. Tell me more. Somebody wants to open up. Remember, y'all got them weak. Let me stop playing with y'all. Alright, but this person, basically, they're trying to make a decision on when to come towards you to speak their truth, because, see, they're regretting. They're regretting what they did to you. Yeah, they know they messed up, guys. Yep, and see, that's why they're not positive if you're going to take them back or not. Okay. But see, there's an offer of love. That offer of love is coming in. Look at that. There is an offer. I'm telling you. Some of you guys, this person may be younger than you, but Regardless, I'm telling you, this person is definitely coming to give you an offer. And I just heard apology. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, Sagittarius, y'all better leave me some comments, okay? See what I'm saying? Oh, Sagittarius, who is this? Is this new love? Is this past? Is this the past person? Because I feel like this person is coming out of being frustrated. Like, yeah, I think this is past. They had you waiting, guys. Somebody had you waiting. Now they're coming back. Okay? They're coming back to give you this offer of love. Oh, Sagittarius. Yeah, they're not content with how things played out, but maybe somebody's worried about their money too. This person wants to start over with you. So, and they're going to move slow because I'm telling you, they messed up. And so even with them moving slow, trying to get things off the ground with you, I feel like there is some type of focus with money here. And it could be because of some type of family situation that they were in. But they're wanting to start over with you. See, look at that. What I tell you? They're wanting to heal things with you because I told you the person did stab you in the back. They were going through a transformation here. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Something's going on with their money. Somebody's worried about money. I mean, hands down. Hands down. It's whoever messed up. That's what I'm telling y'all. It's like, okay, so I just heard this too. So, what I was just getting ready to say before this other thing just popped up. This person definitely wants to move slow with you. I'm telling you, they're going to give you this offer of love. And I just, look at the lovers at the bottom of the deck. I'm telling you, there's love. The thing is, while they're giving you that offer, they're really focusing on their finances right now. So this could be why this person is moving a little slow. Because there is some type of, like, regret when it comes to finances. Maybe this person feels like they're not going to be able to give everything to you. They're also feeling like things may not improve, like you're not going to take their offer from them. What is that? See, they're back and forth with the Three of Wands, the way it landed. So it's like, they want to start over and build with you, but at the same time, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. That's why they're talking to friends. They're getting advice because they're getting ready to take a leap. Knight of Swords just tried to jump out, but that's them wanting to move really fast. They want to come back in because they're feeling like if they don't, they're going to lose you for good. See, because this is somebody that left you out in the cold. I'm telling you, I feel like you guys have been healing, but they want to come back and heal things with you, but right now they're isolating themselves still. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, this person's worried. There's definitely a lot of worrying here because, look, they were moving slow. This person is still moving slow to come back. Yeah, they're having a hard time right now because they want to make this right, but it's just a lot that they're going through. See what I'm saying? Money. Money. My eyes went to that 6. This is definitely like family here. So either they're in some type of family situation, whether they're like in a commitment, they could be married, they could have kids with someone, or this is them helping out their family. But I'm telling you, they're coming to you, Sagittarius, but they're still having to give to someone else, you know, and that's why I see a lot of concern about money here. This is your energy I'm picking up on. You guys are coming off like the Queen of Swords. So this person knows you want to hear from them, but your guard is so up right now, it's not even funny. Because you guys are tired of, you know, dealing with the nonsense. But a lot of you still want to hear from this person, like hear them out. You want the truth. You definitely want the truth. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But see, because your guard is up and they feel like you might cuss them out, which you probably will, they're afraid that things may not improve. Look, see what I'm saying? Oh, Sagittarius. Y'all look, I can't sing because I was about to start singing. This is definitely soulmate energy. Could even be twin flame energy, but I'm telling you, it's like this person knows the truth. They want to, you know, give you that truth, give you this communication. They want to be very direct with you, you know, but this person is afraid that you're going to cut them off. Again, somebody dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Somebody also could be dealing with a Leo, but I'm telling you, they're going to have the strength to come towards you. Look at that, because they're going to work really hard on winning you back. There's definitely a shift taking place here. You're the third sign I'm picking up something like this. Because, see, this person in the past, player energy, in and out energy, didn't know what they want to do. Now they're coming out of this energy. They're getting ready to say something to you, but they're still holding back because they know that they hurt you, you know? Even what's catching my eye, you see these two queens? lined up like that. So, see what I'm saying? There was some type of third-party energy taking place. So, somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But honestly, this is more so like they hurt you. And they don't know if you're going to even speak up anymore. Like, they know you're tired of their nonsense. See what I'm... Look, y'all, this is why they're having a hard time. They're having a hard time because they don't know what you're going to say. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But I'm feeling like they're coming out of being frustrated, and they do want to speak their truth to you. They're just not happy. Somebody could be trying to get out of some type of contract or legal situation, and that's what they want to also tell you about, see? Because, yeah, there was a third party, and this is what broke your heart, but they want to fix things with you, see? They definitely want to fix things with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. They want to heal things with you. But right now, somebody could feel stuck or trapped in some type of home or family situation that they're not happy in. And that's them freeing themselves. So somebody is getting ready to get out of a situation. They are. Tell me more. Because they want a new beginning with you. Ooh, Sagittarius. Y'all better leave me some comments, okay? Anyway, so I'm seeing... Oh, we're not taking all of that. I'm seeing that this person definitely... They're listening to their intuition. Because this part... Ooh, they love you. Oh, my gosh, y'all. Somebody's dealing with a Gemini. But they're undecided exactly how to go about doing this. Because I'm telling you, you're going to get an offer from them. Tell me about the Queen of Pentacles, please. It's you. You guys are focusing on yourself. You've been healing. You're moving on. And they're coming back. They know they're going to have to quickly come back to turn things around. Tell me more. But they're stuck trying to decide on how exactly to go about doing this. See? Even though these two women are spaced apart, I'm telling you, it's because of somebody else. There was somebody else that was interfering. You know, and this is like you guys not being positive. Like, I don't even know if I want to take this person back. This is how they're, whoever messed up, this is how they're thinking about you. But there's definitely some type of interference here. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person definitely wants to move forward with you. And that's the decision that they made. They don't want to look back at the past. But see, they're worried. Because of the past, they can't sleep. They don't even know what you're going to say. See, they're sad. Somebody dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. This person is very emotional right now because they know that they messed up. They made the wrong decision. The way the Seven of Swords came out, this is like this person in the past, they were being sneaky, but they're making changes. They are making some changes right now. Because, see, I told you, did I tell y'all earlier this person was going to come back and apologize? I heard, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. They're just not confident in doing so. And some of them want to apologize because they were in some type of commitment or marriage. It's something like that because they're getting out of it. But now they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a commitment with you. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Excuse me. Yeah, see? Somebody had other options here. Now they're trying to figure out what to do. And that's why there's little to no communication. You know, but I feel like this person was really in their head not knowing what to do. But they're coming out of that energy. See, what did I just tell y'all? Listen, the fact that I'm seeing 2 5s here, this is definitely like mental conflict. I told you this person was in their head. The fact that both of these cards are reverses is letting me know they're coming out of that energy. So somebody, I told you, there was definitely somebody else that they were entertaining, whether it's a love interest or a family or whoever. But this person knew that staying in the situation, they were okay. But if they decided to leave, they were going to take a financial hit. Now it's getting to the point where they're like, you know what, I don't even care. Because they don't want a new beginning with this person. See, they're clearing away obstacles in order to be with you. But see, right now, they're dragging their feet. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius.